Pause.
Has issued a severe thunderstorm
What?
for East Central Brevard County and East Central
They just
Florida
issued the
until 8:15 p.m. Eastern
NSPS.
Daylight Time. At 7:39 p.m. Eastern Daylight
Pause.
Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Indian Harbor Beach or over Satellite Beach, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour.
By the way, if you haven't noticed, new setup.
60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
What?
Source, radar indicated.
That was quick.
Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs,
I have a ton
siding,
of
and
alerts to
trees.
upload. I'm so behind, bro.
Impacted include Palm Bay, Melbourne, Cocoa Beach, Satellite Beach, and Cape Canaveral.
I'm so behind.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The weather. The National Weather Service in Melbourne has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Orange County in east central Florida, northwestern Osceola County in east central Florida, until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:39 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over SeaWorld, or near Oak Ridge, moving southwest at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Orlando, Kissimmee, Bay Lake, Celebration, and Oak Ridge. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Flooded.
Why are you not activated?
Melbourne has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Osceola County in east central Florida until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
You need to go away.
At 7:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Intercession City, moving southwest at 20 miles per hour.
Oh shoot, we're about to get an SVR for Pope, because it's right along the border.
Quarter-size hail.
CBW might
radar
issue an
indicated.
SVR.
Impact,
I think I might
hail
need to put
damage
your
to vehicles
backlight
is
on the
expected.
wall. Hold on.
Expect wind damage to roofs,
You're not even
siding,
plugged in.
and trees.
Yep,
Locations
that does
impacted
it.
include Kissimmee, Celebration, Intercession City, Poinciana, and Campbell. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding.
Yeah, I think everybody
Do
here
not
is going
drive
to be
your
set
vehicle through
tomorrow.
flooded roadways.
Hey, you want to know what's funny? There's an avalanche warning inside my 120 right avalanche watch. Because I self-activated it. Yeah, that's funny. Alright, here we go! Yes, sir!
Require weekly tests. The proceedings
On phone line, unfortunately, because Melbourne can't make up their mind.
The actual reason why KIH63 went phone line again is because the wireless system is currently having connectivity issues. So, until the National Weather Service in Melbourne can confirm that the wireless system on KIH63 is stable, the transmitter will have to remain on phone line.
Specially built receivers are activated by the signal to warn of severe weather or other hazards.
Goofy awful.
Tests are normally conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, and again between 6 and 8 p.m. If severe weather is expected on Wednesday, the test will be postponed until the next day, weather permitting. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning signals, can vary at any given location.
And they just paused, like,
This
abnormally.
variability,
It's
normally
like...
more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can result even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. Warning alarm tones are activated on transmitters for counties where the signal is reliably received in sufficient strength for consistent and dependable service. For station KIH 2016 Daytona Beach, warning alerts will be activated for Volusia, Flagler, Putnam, Lake, Seminole, Brevard, and Orange counties. For station KIH 63 in Orlando, warning alerts will be activated for Brevard, Lake, Orange, Osceola, counties. For station WXJ70 in Melbourne, warning alerts will be activated for Brevard, Indian River, Orange, and Osceola counties. For station WWF69 in Fort Pierce, warning alerts will be activated for Indian River, Martin, Okeechobee, and St. Lucie counties. This has been a test of the NOAA Weather Radio Public Warning System. We now return to the regular broadcast program.